Alright, so here's part 2. So let's keep doing it. And let's move on to Germany. That sounded like a boss theme. It scared me a little bit, so 1 tier. Oh, that sounded German flag. That didn't. So 0 tier. Let's move on to Italy. Sounds like a dubstep for me. Yes. No. So here we got an Italy. So Italy didn't scare me at all. So why do we have edge? And then here, let's move on to iPhone and Android. It sounds the same as Romania. So 5 tier. Alright, so this part 2. So this has been 14 minutes of a kid organizing EAS alarms as in tier list. So, bye.